pedal, yeah.
No, not yet, sir. Lovely, done it now.
Yeah.
To do it, 20 gallons of petrol, isn't it?
200 cc won't do it.
You've gone through this one. That's enough, mate, Doug. You're going to kill it, mate.
Alright, go on!